Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We've got our Redcat Gen8 Axe Edition on the bench today. We're going in a little more in-depth here. We've got it out of the box. You can check out all the videos for this truck in the video description. We'll include a link to the playlist. We're just getting this out of the box. We threw some batteries into the FlySky GT5 controller that comes with this. Pretty well reviewed system here. Just noticing the quality of the system, really nice for the price. I mean, even alone, you can get this as a standalone for $70 or $80 online. Nice rubber grip. All the screw holes are covered by these rubber gaskets. Just a really nice touch and feel to it. Digital display, multiple model support. And of course 6 channels here, despite the name GT5. Very cool stuff. Gonna like this one. The antenna actually pops out here. Probably not that you need to do it or not, but a lot better from the FlySky antennas of old. We have a GT3B that's been well used, and the antenna has broken on that. It's just flopping around. But anyways, just getting into a deeper dive of this truck. It is held on by Velcro, which is pretty sticky Velcro. Taking the body off actually requires a fair amount of force here. And so I didn't even want to damage this beautiful looking body, but you can see here, just the amount of force it takes. Maybe I feel like that. I'm gonna grab a screwdriver here. To see that tape actually coming loose. So might replace this with some high strength magnets, just because the Velcro will get dirt caught in it as well. Redcat, if you're listening, that'd be a vast improvement over the Velcro. Tape is coming off on the side. Just use this screwdriver in between the Velcro strips there. There we go. All right. Super nice body though. Just don't want to damage it. The black shows dust, the dust from shipping there. But love this body and the detail that's on the interior here. I started off making plastic models before I graduated to RC, and just the level of detail in this kit is really nice. You can go ahead and add your own details. It's got the sockets already for the LEDs, which is nice. We might have to get some LEDs for this, but this body might end up being a shelf queen, just since it's so pristine, and stuff like that doesn't stay pristine for long, especially with kids driving these trucks. So we'll put this off to the side here and take a look at the chassis. So get this out of the way. All right, so this is the Axe, the Hobby Wing Axe brushless ESC. Nice waterproof switch. We're big fans of Hobby Wing systems. We've used a lot of them here at Racing to Learn. Receiver box. You might want to put that antenna tube on that it came with. It's got a metal top tube there, which is kind of nice. All aluminum shocks all around. The body or the battery holder here. Some people will even put like a fake engine cover over these. We probably won't go that far. It's got the Reefs 422 HDV2 servo in here. So 400 ounces of torque coming from This little guy. Chromed shackles, that's a nice touch. You can put some more LEDs in the bash guard here, the whatever they call it, the bumper. All right, it's even got a trail hitch in the back, adjustable rear bumper. Really nice touches, and this the Velcro here, we might replace that with magnets. But yeah, that black body we might have to keep more pristine here. In shipping, oh, that is broken. Yeah, it looks like this, that's what broke there in shipping. So we're gonna have to contact Redcat here. Looks like that tab got broken. In shipping. Metal, is that metal? Yeah, that's metal. The yokes on these drive shafts are metal. The actual drive shafts themselves are not. What else? Yeah, we couldn't spot all the differences between the regular Gen 8 and this. I think they've updated some parts too. I'm not sure if this is, yeah, they've changed this, but I remember reading that sometimes the people would grind down this center chassis part to get more clearance. Looks like these running boards, they're removable, the rock sliders. I'm not sure if those are going to actually help or hinder this truck. Yeah, we'll go ahead and metal links throughout. We'll get this truck patched up here, and might be able to get away with some super glue fixing this until we get our replacement, just so that we can get running a little bit sooner. Might be a good chance to upgrade this to a metal unit. Looks like that's a weak spot there. Broken shipping. Oh. Okay, these springs. Okay. Shocks don't seem to be damaged because, with a 4-link setup here, these 4 links are holding that suspension together. With that mounting tab broken, this was kind of probably just flopping around and shipping. So doesn't look like the shocks were damaged. They still feel pretty good there. What else? Oh yeah, of course the portal axles that come on the Redcat Gen 8. So they're actually give you additional reduction there. There's a gear here and a gear here. So a gear on the output shaft of the axle, and then another gear in the actual housing or portal axle housing itself. So you get an additional gear reduction. I forgot what the ratio was, or I don't know what the ratio is. It looks like it's probably like a 1-to-2 or something like that. But that puts less strain on the center drive line, and also gives you more ground clearance. So the axle would normally be here. We've dropped it almost to additional 1/2 inch or centimeter there. Pretty cool stuff here. We should probably do a test of the electronics, even though that axle is busted. At least we can see if the motor runs. So we use a small test battery here. And just hook that up. Turn on the receiver, or the transmitter. All right, front steering's working. We can show you guys that here. Ooh. It's a lot of side-to-side travel, which is nice. Test the throttle. Yeah, of course that rear drive shaft isn't running. Oh, probably shouldn't test it too much there with that rear drive shaft flopping around. Anyways, super excited to get into the world of crawling. You know, we were actually considering the Redcat Wendigo as well. But then, you know, the GT5, the brushless system in here that's censored, and also the Reef servo. They're both based on the same chassis. The Wendigo doesn't have the portal axles, but you know, yeah, basically all those additional value-added upgrades made us go for the Gen 8 Axe. So stay tuned for more on this truck. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Hit that like button if we've earned it. Hit that subscribe button if we've earned that. Every little bit helps us. And hit that notification bell to stay tuned here. We're going to be cranking out videos as we're sheltering in place. And we will catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.